Alright, so here's the current version of Pop! OS. It's running Cosmic and Wayland. You can't change it to X11 because the path is missing. In the beginning, when I try to create bootable Pop! OS, you can see the pen drive is no longer here. Even after formatting, it doesn't work. It's no longer visible in Windows. You can check my other video that I have troubleshoot and it works. So you can see my other video, link in the description below. And now let's go into the extensions where you can customize your genome. So Pop! OS, last time I could, now I couldn't. And when I try to install the common apps like Synaptic Manager, it also doesn't want to open. Even trying to install this remote doesn't work anymore. Even though I have tried this in Zorin OS with Wayland enabled, it works, but now it doesn't. Even cutting and pasting videos into my pen drive takes so long that you can see the duration yourself. If you want, you can skip to 257 and see the pros. Alright, so the only good thing here is previously I have complained about startup apps doesn't work. Now they've integrated integrated tweaks into their settings where they can easily just add startup apps, which is great. All the Linux should have this. And I'm testing on this game right here, which is great. There is no problem with playing games. So that's the only two things that I found that they excel at. I would not recommend Pop! OS because none of the daily apps that I use right here works anymore. I also do not have the choice to change from Wayland to X11 because the login and the path no longer exist. So I can't change it anymore. I previously have sent this video here that shows the problem, and now they have made the problem even worse, even though they have fixed the problem that I've mentioned in my other video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamers signing out.